Hey guys, in this video we're gonna go over how to fix, the 5M or GTA 5 texture not loading. First, I want you to go ahead and press the escape button to open up your menu, then come here and click on settings, okay? Now once we have selected settings, I want you to come here and select for the graphics, right? We get a bunch of different options. Just scroll down until you find these: the texture quality, shader quality, shadow quality, and reflection quality as well. We're going to do this one as well, but for now, turn all of these to normal. Okay, all of them to normal, and also the reflection MSAA. I want you to switch this one to off. So what this will do, it will reduce the quality, and that will make sure your textures load because your graphics card, your PC could not handle it before. But otherwise, it's really that easy and simple. So if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.